Hello, future engineers. There is another video in structural analysis, particularly on beam deflections. This is part 4.1, and the method presented here is by virtual work method. So here is the problem. By virtual work method, determine the slope and deflection at points C and D. So because this is determinate, I want you to verify that the support reaction shown are correct. Vertical support reaction shown are correct. So let's apply a unit positive couple at C, which is counterclockwise. Then we have to compute the corresponding uh, reactions due to that unit couple. So summation moment E, reaction times 8 equals 1. So this is 1/8 upward, and this should be 1/8 downward. Then let's have the sectioning. So remember that the virtual work method in computing for the slope, we have EI, theta is equal to integral of big M, where big M is the moment at the section due to the actual loads. Then small m, moment at the section due to the unit virtual load and the reactions, of course. Dx over 1 if EI is constant, if I is 2, so over 2, and so on and so forth. So for the first section, it is 0 because small m is 0 here. We proceed to this section here. So EI theta C equals 0 plus integral 0 to 4 of 86.25 times x minus 20 times 1 plus x, moment arm 1 plus x over 2, so that's why it reduces to minus 10 quantity 1 plus x squared. Then due to the virtual load, the moment at this section is positive 1/8 times x, so we have x over 8 dx. For the next section here, we have integral from 0 to 2 of quantity 86.25. By the way, this is Wx. The W as to x equals 24 as to 3. So W equals 8x. So for the next section here, integral plus integral of 0 to 2 of 86.25 times 4 plus x minus 20 times 5, 2.5 plus x, or minus 100 times 2.5 plus x. Then due to the virtual load, we have 1/8 times 4 plus x, which is this 4 plus x over 8, then minus 1 dx. Then for the next section, because when we shift to this section here, the integral is 0 again because there's no moment due to the virtual load, considering the right, of course. So next is integral from 0 to 2 of quantity 86.25 times 6 plus x minus 100, because that's 100. The distance is 2.5 plus 2, so 4.5 plus x, then minus 20 times x minus 1/2 of x, 8x, moment arm x over 3, so that reduces to minus 4/3 x cubed. Then due to the virtual load, 1/8 of quantity 6 plus x, or 6 plus x over 8, then minus 1 dx. Then plus, in this section, the integral is 0. So the first integral, this second term rather, is equal to 260 over 3. This one is equal to negative 745 over 12, using your high-tech calculator, of course. And this one is negative 659 over 60. Combining, we can now compute theta C, and theta C is equal to 13.6 over EI. We then proceed to uh, the deflection at C. So we apply a unit upward load at C as shown. Let's remove the couple first. So the reaction here would be downward as well as here because the unit load is at C, and C is the center between these supports, simple supports. So the reactions here would be 1/2 and 1/2 downward as shown. So same sectioning. First integral would be 0. So EI delta C equals 0 plus integral. We copy big M, 86.25x minus 10, 1 plus x square. Then the moment at this section this time is negative x over 2, or 1 negative 1/2 of x dx. For the next section here, we copy the big M, 0 to 2. Then this becomes negative 1/2 of quantity 4 plus x here. Then plus 1x, or 1 times x. Then next, in this section here, we have integral 0 to 2, copy this big M. Then this is for small m, negative 1/2 of 6 plus x, then plus 1 times 2 plus x. So copy, then revise the small m, which is negative quantity 6 plus x over 2, then plus 1 times 2 plus x. Then integrating, this is equal to negative 1040 over 3. This is equal to negative 745 over 3. And this one is equal to negative 659 over 15. Combining, we have delta C equals negative 9584 over 15 EI, or this should be the final answer in decimal form, negative 638.933 over EI. Then we remove that. We now apply unit counterclockwise couple, positive couple at D as shown. So the reaction here would then be, we'll go back to 1/8 upward, then 1/8 upward, 1/8 downward as shown figure. So EI theta D is equal to, so same integral here, 0. So same value. So times x over 8 dx. The second integral will change. There's no more minus 1. So integral 86.25 quantity 4 plus x minus 102.5 plus x. Then the small m would be in this section is 1/8 of 4 plus x only, or 4 plus x over 8 dx. Then the third integral is the same. We copy the whole of this uh, for theta. So integral 0 to 2, we copy. We also copy this, is the same. 1/8 times 6 plus x, then minus 1. So the integral here, the value of the integral here is the same, 260 over 3. Then this is different, 1205 over 12. This one is equal to negative 659 over 60. Combining, the value is the same, 176.1 over EI. Then finally, we apply a unit upward load at D to solve for the deflection at D as shown. Then this would now be 1/4 here, then 1/4 downward, then here 3/4 downward due to that unit upward load. So EI delta D equals 0 plus integral, copy 0 to 4. Then the moment due to the unit load is negative 1/4 x this time for the second term. So copy this. Then the moment at this section is negative 1/4 of 4 plus x. dx. Then for the last section, copy 0 to 2. Then the small m would be negative 1/4 of 6 plus x, then plus 1x dx. So the value of this integral is negative 520 over 3. For the next, it's negative 1205 over 6. And for the last, negative 659 over 10. Then combining, we have delta D negative 6601 over 15 EI, or negative 440.067 over EI. So that's it for this video. But before that, your part would be to determine theta F and delta F by this virtual work method and show that these are the answers. So that's it for this video.